we made it. We're in Panama City. I'm super excited. We're staying really close to Pier Park, so we're in a really good, convenient area. If you're familiar with Panama City, you'll know the area we're staying at. Right back there is Pier Park. You can see that Ferris wheel there. So this year, we're just in a condo. We're not doing the beach house thing because it's Keith and I, my daughter, her husband, my niece, and her husband. So it's just 6 of us this year. My other son didn't come because the baby's just tiny, you know. And but anyway, we needed a getaway, and I'm super excited to be here. And I'm so excited that you guys are coming along with us on our week-long beach adventure. We're gonna have a lot of fun. And yeah, so I just wanted to go ahead and make an entry, and I will show you as much as I can this week. There's the garage, and then you walk across this to get where we are now. We've stayed here before. It's a really nice condo. So this is Front Beach Road. This is where all the action happens, but it looks a lot slower than it usually does because we're usually here in July, and I think a lot of the kids have already went back to school. So we're gonna have a great week. And I'm super excited you guys are here. All right, guys, so I think Keith and I are gonna run to Walmart and get some bagels and things for breakfast, and beach tomorrow. So I didn't really get much of a tan this year, even though we went out on the boat, but I'll get my tan on. All right, guys, so here's our condo. Everybody say hi. Hi. Okay, there's my nephew-in-law, my niece, my daughter, her son, her husband, my son-in-law, and you guys know Keith. What do you have to say, Keith?
Nothing.
Oh, no! All right, so that's the gang. So, anyway.
Adult trip.
Adult trip, that's right. Okay, peace out for now. Hey, what you doing?
Look at some sliders.
All right, for what?
Beach.
I know. I was just filming. It's already a mess. Look at this place. Oh well, we're on vacation. Have anything to say, Keith?
What do you want me to say?
That's exactly it. Turn around and wave to everybody. Hi guys. So I haven't really been vlogging that much because, I don't know, we were out on the beach yesterday. We stayed out there most of the day, and I stayed under a tent, so I didn't really get much of a tan. We got out in the water some, but I just wasn't feeling it because I'm not kidding you guys. It was so humid and hot, and I was miserable. And when we came in, I took a shower, and we had something to eat, and I just haven't been feeling it. And it's been raining all day last night, or storming, and raining and storming today. So we didn't do a beach day. So Keith and I took something back to Louis Vuitton that I had ordered. So I'm going to tell you guys the story here in just a bit when I do my unboxing. Yes, I stopped by Louis Vuitton on the way to the beach. So I stopped at the Louis Vuitton in Birmingham, so I do have an unboxing, but we're getting ready to go out to dinner, and I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. I can't really promise how this video is gonna turn out, but we've just been having a lot of fun, and Keith and I went shopping today, and I got a few things, so I'll share all that with you guys in just a bit, like after we get back from dinner. So I just wanted to check in and say hi, and yeah, hadn't forgot you guys. Let's sneak up on my niece. Let's go see what she's doing. Okay guys, let me introduce to you my beautiful and gorgeous Grecian goddess niece, Rhea. What's your last name now?
Roberts.
Yeah, Roberts. She's pretty much a newlywed.
Yeah.
I knew
Been
you were
married
like
2 years, and I finally changed my last name.
Yeah. Hey, do you have anything to say to my YouTube family?
Hello.
Hello.
My Aunt Yota's the best.
Oh, thank you.
That's it.
Yeah, all right. And we're gonna go get matching E. Newton bracelets, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, that's my niece, that's my baby niece. I've got another one, but she's not here.
Yes.
Here comes my daughter. Here she comes. Oh, she's blurry. Here she comes. Ooh, look at Allie. Come up here. Come up here. Ooh, wait, you're blurry. Okay, there she is. Here's Miss America right here. That's my little baby. Why is my phone blurred? She needs hairspray. You guys, it's tough being at the beach with two young beauties. Okay, I'm trying to hold my own here. Okay, let me get off here. She needs hairspray. Oh, anyway, okay, so yeah, everybody in my family is so pretty. So pretty. Here she is. Here's my baby. Look at her. She really has naturally curly hair, but she's got it straightened and lightened. Don't we look like twins? Rhea and I look like twins, don't we? Yeah. God, I need some bronzer. Okay. So, anyway, guys, got the dryer going in the background, and I'll do some more filming later. Catch you later. Oh, and before we go, you guys, before we go, this is my bag of the week. Now, I may or may not, well, I do. I have an unboxing here in just a bit. You'll have to hold this because I forgot my tripod. Anyway, I've got an unboxing in a bit, and so, yeah. So I'll reveal to you the bag that I got, so I may use that some this week as well. Anyway, look, she's taller than me. Everybody's taller than me. All right, guys, we are on the 10th floor. There is the Panama City Pier. And I have an epic video of the storm last night. And it's still storming. You hear that thunder? There's our pool. Wait, let me turn it this way. There's the pool. And we normally get a beach house, but since it's just 6 of us this time, hopefully next year my granddaughters can come, my son, my other son, baby Drew. He's just too little. Check out the sky. It's just a summer storm at the beach. So what I'm wearing, if I can show you, I have on this is my IDYL necklace, my gold hoops, and this is my name plate necklace, and I have on a just Lululemon tank top and just some Walmart shorts. See? And then just my Vans. Oh God. Ooh, I need to suck it in. I need to suck it in. Anyway, we're going to eat, and I'm starving for grouper, and I love the beach, you guys, so much. Yesterday I didn't really enjoy it because it was so hot and muggy. It was unbelievable. So today we took a break. So anyway, guys, next time we go out and hang out on the beach this week, I will get some footage out there. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Well, if it isn't Keith. Hello, Keith. Have anything to say?
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. Have anything to say, Allie? Either one of you have anything to say? Okay. Aren't they a lot of fun? Okay. They're just hungry. That's what it is. They're too hungry to talk, okay? So, anyway. I am really letting you guys go for now. I'll take pictures of food porn and upload it. What are you craving, Alexandra? Anything in particular? Grouper? Keith?
I don't know.
Grouper for me. Why are you? Okay, the cat has her tongue. Okay.
We don't want to talk.
They don't want to talk. Oh my gosh. Okay. My daughter really doesn't take after me. She doesn't talk a lot. Well, she does. But Rhea does. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Hey, and how are you liking the bunk room?
I love it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hey, let's see your bag of the day.
Oh, no.
Well, that's cute.
It's just a little,
It's a cute little,
it's a Shein bag.
oh, it's a Shein bag. Sweet. Yeah. Alexandra's a Shein fan. They have a lot
I
of
love
cute
Shein.
stuff. Yeah. They have a lot of cute stuff. Okay. All right. So, what are you wanting to eat?
Maybe oysters? Baked oysters? Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't had them in a while.
That sounds good.
Look at you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Alexandra's bag of the day. Heck yeah. Heck to the yeah. Oh, yeah, girlfriend. Okay. All right. All right, guys. We're back from dinner. We had so much fun. A lot of laughs. And I'm going to unbox this and show you what we bought at Shipwreck Island, or Limited. Shipwreck Limited. We like to shop there. So when my assistant comes out of the restroom, we're gonna do this unboxing. So I'm super excited and to show you guys what I got, and I have a story to tell.
Go.
All right, guys. So it is now time for the big unboxing, for me to show you what I got, and I will tell you after I unbox it what happened. Okay? So here we go. Here we go. So this is a true unboxing, which actually I did see it in the store. So I did buy this in the boutique. We stopped by the boutique on the way to the beach because I had to return the first one. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you'll know what we're talking about.
Hey, turn that light off.
This one? Okay. So I have a camera guy helping me because I forgot to bring my tripod. So I kind of feel like James Jam. So I have a camera guy helping me. So here it is. The magnetic box. Open it up. Fancy. Wow. Okay. So here is the item in question. Now, I got not the Speedy 20, but the regular Speedy 25. So you guys know that I wanted to finish my trifecta. I have the Azure and I have the monogram. And I'm super excited to have this one. I did try on the Speedy 20 and it was super cute, but I'm not a fan of that strap, you guys. Just not a fan. And all this will relax. I'm going to get an organizer for it. So I now have my trifecta. I'm so super excited. And this one is perfect. Oh God, there's a couple of nuts in the hall. They're dancing behind Keith. So here is the keys that go to it. And it has the red interior. It's just the basic Speedy or the classic Speedy 25. And so I'll use this a lot this fall and winter. And once I put my stuff in it and put an organizer in it, it will relax. You guys know the drill. But the Speedy 20, it just wasn't for me. Okay, so I got one other item. And it's in this little small box right here. I'm super excited because I've never actually seen this before. I don't really look on the website as much as I used to. So let's go ahead and see what I got in here. And there's a couple more small items that I want to get, like I want to get a card holder. And I really want that Recto Verso. I really want that. But anyway, that's not what this is. So, let's go ahead and take that off. Open it up. And I got a little charm for it. I thought I would jazz it up a little. I have only had, this is only like my third ever Louis Vuitton charm. Let's turn it this way. And I thought this one was really cute. I don't even know the name of it, you guys, but it's super cute. I just felt like it needed a little something. And usually, like I said, when I buy a charm, I usually buy it, you know, to go on a certain bag. So let's go ahead and put it right there.
Why is that all dented?
Well, it's always like that, Alexandra. When you first get these, they kind of fold fold them, and then it will loosen up. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hush! Don't mess up my unboxing. Okay, so here's the story. So I ordered this online because I was trying to beat the price increase, and I actually did beat the price increase. But when I ordered it online, right when I took it out of the box, and I'm refilming because I did film the unboxing, there was like right between the dark square and the lighter square, there was like a nick. It either looked like somebody took a pen and nicked it, and I just wasn't going to have it. So when I took it back into Louis Vuitton, she said, yeah, it looks like it could cause some future damage. So this one's perfect. I looked it over really good. Super, super cute. I love the classic Speedy. So I got that. So excited.
Oh my god.
Shut up. Are you still filming? Oh my gosh, they're crazy, you guys. They're crazy. My daughter's dancing. Okay, so Keith and I went shopping, and I'll show you what I got. I got some Billabong jeans. I was not about to get any more shorts this year. These are so cute, and they're kind of the lighter, look at the little hem, the frayed hem. So I desperately need some new jeans. So I got that. And then I got this cute top to go with it. It's kind of a square neck. It's also Billabong.
Oh my god.
Is it? Would you like to be in the video, Alexandra? Okay, so how cute is this
Oh my god.
outfit? Hush! You guys, it's an inside joke. Don't pay any attention to the people behind the camera. Okay, so this is a cute outfit together with kind of the fitted top and kind of the wide legs. And then, oh my gosh, these are so
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
you guys, they've had a few drinks. Anyway, these, they're kind of like linen, but they also have, I don't know, something other than just linen in them, and they're super soft,
Super.
kind of baggy, and I'll just wear these with like a fitted top, and they're kind of cargo here. So cute. And then, can you zoom in, Keith? These bracelets, I've had people asking me about these bracelets, and these are E. Newton, the little small beads. And then I went into a store at Pier Park called Shimmering Sands, and they have all kinds of jewelry. So they also have E. Newton, and I added these to my stack.
Oh my god.
And I also got this ring. Hush.
Oh my god. The lighting's
Guys,
terrible, oh my
They're
god.
crazy. What?
The lighting is so
Is it?
terrible.
He
I don't
told
know.
me to turn off the light. Anyway, I don't know how Jamie does this, or Jamie. I don't know how you do it. But anyway, you don't have people that are crazy behind the camera. But anyway, I got this ring. You can bathe in them, swim in them in the ocean. You never have to take them off. I never take off the stack, and I started a new stack. So I got that so far. I'm so excited. Keith got some nice swim trunks.
You don't have to show my stuff.
You don't want me to show your stuff?
No.
Okay.
Nobody cares.
He doesn't want to film. He just got swimming trunks. And that's it, you guys. But I love the charm. I think it's really super cute.
Super. Are you done?
That's all I got.